you, my beautiful K&J family. From Minnesota, we don't know what is about to go down.
Really prank month this is our birthday month, so fear time. You see me?
Guys, me and Junior watch a TikTok video a while ago, right? And
we see like a challenge for it.
Yeah, we say we're gonna pull off Panar. So it's basically like a weight challenge.
But we're not telling them too much about it. You see me? Because if you never see it before, you never see it today.
Yeah.
You see me? So just know say.
When you just watch the video, stay tuned, watch the video. Guys, I promise you know, it's entertaining. But remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share up the video then.
You see, that she's a TikTok and hopefully she don't pick it
yeah,
up on her eyeball still.
Hopefully she don't see it.
You see me? So we mashed up on her today. Hopefully we catch her. So you don't know. Stay tuned. Don't be a cartoon.
Right. Good night, my beautiful K&J family. I hope you guys are having a blessed night tonight. So, tonight I have a challenge for you guys. If you see me, I look down so because I want the camera is the far, I want to kind of catch all of me. Okay. So tonight I have a wicked challenge for Uno. It's called the weight. It's called the weight challenge. So basically what we're going to do, I have some buckets full of the water, right? So we're going to place them in our hand on a string like this, and then we're going to place some book and all type of things in our hand and try to see who can manage the weight, who can manage it longer. So without further ado, let's get started. And guys, remember to like the video, like the video,
comment
and share.
And subscribe, so don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe.
Ready, so me we go first. I volunteer to go first.
Alright.
You go second?
Yeah, me go second.
He was voluntold.
And the whim. The whim. Because she had punk out already and she didn't go back there. So I'll go first and set the pace.
Alright, so guys, we're going to place the stuff them in them hand. And to see how long you can hold your hand flat like this.
Right, okay.
Yeah. So, step back, look more. Want to see who can hold is the longest. Yes.
Alright. On to belly or on out?
Anyway, one.
With the timer, pizza. Good. You can see the time up on the clock on the camera.
With your time.
Round 4.
Because you have to have your hand flat.
Alright, let it go. Put it on. So then buckle are going away. Alright.
Guys, we have a little board.
Watch here. She knows the my side has done good them something and she a thief in a bread gin.
So we will see time it right now.
Alright. Give up.
Yeah, how long that? 13 seconds.
14
seconds. Junior, about 14 seconds. No, man. Wonder how long me can go. Guys, it's my turn.
Pressure from my wrist.
My turn. How much you go? 14?
14.
Alright.
14.92, I think.
14.
Second.
14.92? So we go 14.93, we good.
Yeah.
Ow. Okay.
Wait. You much up already?
No, man.
Alright, so
shit, it's heavy.
Let's put everything by one
Yeah,
down
you
there.
can do that.
Ready? Start the clock on the place.
Oh my god! This is so heavy! Oh shit! You can pass 14 eh?
Yeah, let's go for the guy.
Pass it? Oh my god, take it!
Sugar 19.
Ouch!
Sugar 19.86, guys.
Oh my god, we're out of time. Guys, look at this. Oh, me a sweat. Oh my God, this is nothing normal. You have to have water on.
So much play properly.
Yeah. Woo. We're out of time. So, you sure you want to set the clock?
Him just had a press start.
Evina?
No.
Just put one light on it.
We have a flat on the
You have a
finger.
flat out there, Anne.
So you
Push
can
on
look
it a
up.
little more. Push it up a little more.
That's how
Push it up a little more, no, come on.
I can't push down no more.
Alright, go.
What a little one.
You ready? We're gonna start.
Yeah. 1,
We're gonna start.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Guys, I'm from this morning. We are planning.
Mama,
You hold it.
you should go open your face still,
hold
but
it,
you
yeah.
still get some. Guess what? It's your birthday month.
So
your
flower.
Our flowing start from the last
today.
video.
Yeah, from yesterday.
Yeah, from the last video.
Riri.
We have a shirt, man.
Yeah, right, Riri.
Full
Guys,
charge up on that.
guys, we made the intro from.
Me I say, do not put it on her toe, you know, do not. Me I push it up.
Come sharp.
Yo, guys, me I try to get her to push out her hand more. Guys, if her hand had gone out more, when I burst the string, it would have gone up so. But she should have her hand down so. She should have her hand down. She have her hand all the way down, so it go in her chest instead of in her face.
Yo.
But guys, that was a good one. It never
Yeah,
long,
no,
but
say.
it good.
She a pre, you know, because me I try honey the scissors behind me and me see she a look like just wait, oh, one this up.
Yeah, look at my hand, if you realize some animal tremble, so.
But guys, in reality though, the buckle maybe, you know?
Yeah, man.
The backline is something them can I put 2 directory. Cook flour. Guys, look on flour.
Yeah, one dumpling on
I put 2 I put 2 directory. One empty pizza box and some other little light thing. But me I tell you the truth, man, the thing heavy in a real life. Rihanna, wasn't that a good prank? Eh?
That was not a good
It
prank.
catch her. It catch her,
That
don't
was
you?
not a good prank. Yeah, flour me. So why do you not get no flour?
You know see flour on the side I'm closed.
Why you not get no flour?
I get flour yesterday.
So what about today?
Yesterday and today are 2 different days. Here are 2 different words.
We plan to taste it because we don't make an intro from evening or from the afternoon.
Oh, that's
I
why.
say no.
You know, say, I see Junior come out in them. Me I touch him in them. I said, Junior. So she come out with flour. What that flour? I don't know, like him cancer. No, but that's not come. My son, it's not. Your plan. It's okay.
Guys.
So what was it?
We catch our good guys. But it wasn't, yeah, because we never get, we want it flash up in our face and thing. But guess what, go on? There's a next time. And a next prank.
Prank today.
It don't have to be flower, you don't know what we're going to come with. But guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching the video. If you watch it this far, continue.
Why you pranking
So,
me? I'm on your side. Why you pranking me?
you're there on my side, I'm a prank you?
Exactly.
I don't see you.
See, you have to switch now. You have to switch.
But him, I tore we planet this morning, so don't make him seem like I'm me alone. I tore we planet. Guys, I tore we planet this morning. We're there on TikTok, and I see that we're there pray to God so she never see the video on TikTok. We are prayer say, hope she not see it tonight. So when I come out with the back of them, and I hear she said to me, say, John, no, this look like it's heavy, you know. I want to jump out there already. Me I say, oh, she don't know it. She don't know it, so we can proceed. But guys, it was short and nice. Remember guys to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. I hope you have a good laugh. Hope you have a good laugh. And you just go and support the thing.
I'm gonna share the video.
Catch you again at the next time. Stay safe.
Bye.